It's Nat and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear.
Hey everyone, Essie here for Nat and Essie, and today we are making Super Mario Brothers, the movie, diamond bead stickers.
So the first thing we want to do is get our scissors, and we are going to cut the characters that we want to create. There we go. Ooh, I can't wait to see how these look like as bead stickers, which is what we're trying to do here. Okay, let's get Mario. We're gonna take out the film. See how each part of the figure has numbers and letters? That actually refers to the kind of beads that we are going to use for each part. So for example, for his hat, it's number 4, which is going to be the red beads. It says number 4 here. Just gonna open this up. We're gonna pour some of those beads in here. And then we're going to get our pink picker. I call it the picker. We're going to take out the film of this one, and we're going to get a little bit of that onto the end of the picker. And that little piece of wax at the tip of the picker is going to help us pick up the beads. So let's begin. All we have to do now is pick up the bead right side up and then put it on where it says number 4. See? And we are just going to do that for the rest of Mario's character figure. Now let's not forget that his shirt also has the red beads, so we're gonna do that next. And voila, that is it for our red beads. Let's move on to the number 2s, which is what we're going to use for, looks like the skin. I found number 2. And we stick them on. When it gets harder to pick up the beads, that means you're probably needing to get a refill of that wax. Now, let's move on to the next bead, which is the letter A. That's for his mustache. You got the black beads here. Mustache is done. Let's move on to the glove part right here, which is number 3. Don't need a whole lot. We only need 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's move on to his overall. It's this blue letter C bead. There we go, we are almost done. Just the boots now. And voila, there it is. Here we have Mario's bead sticker. You might be asking, what's next? Well, now all you have to do is grab something where you can put the Mario bead sticker. For me, it's this notebook right here that is color brown, and it could use something on the front. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this out like so, and we can put Mario right here on the front. Voila, there it is. How super awesome is that? Time to make Princess Peach. We're gonna start off with her blonde hair. That would be for our number 1 bead. Put that right here. Let's get to work. Her crown also has 2 of those beads. There we go. Now on to her earrings, which is the letter C. We already had the letter C a while ago, which is the blue one that is the same bead that we used for Mario's overall. Now onto her dress. I don't know why this looks like that. That doesn't look like her dress. I don't know what's going on. Is it like a power? I don't know, but it's pink, so I like it. There we go. Now on to the number 2s right here on the bottom. This is the same color as Mario's skin. And finally, we have number 4s. Yay! All done! Here is Princess Peach bead sticker. Doesn't she look so cute? Let's go ahead and peel our Princess Peach bead sticker and we'll put her right on this side. Looking super cute, and since I already showed you how to make them, I went ahead and created a Luigi bead sticker too. There he is. We're going to put him right here on the bottom area. Voila!
Well, those are cool, but what about me?
And me.
Now that we made the 3 main characters of the movie Super Mario Brothers, I want to make the supporting characters as well because I want to show them some love. So I would like to make Toad, Bowser, and the Mushroom. Toad is super duper cute. We're going to need red beads for the little dots on his head. The dots are done. Now we are going to fill up the number 3s, which are the white parts. Let's get those whites in there.
And let's stick.
Here we go. The head part is done. Now let's not forget his underwear. Gotta make it shimmer. That is done. Now we move on to number 2, which is this like beige color. Nice. Now we have our brown beads for his shoes, and that is color number 7. Ta-da! And one final color, the letter C, which is this purple color for his vest. Wait a second, I don't have purple beads. I do have letter C here, but they're blue. I guess that will work. So let's do that. A little pop of color never hurt anyone. Ta-da!
Huh? I love it! Especially my blue vest.
Oh, I love it too. Now let's get Bowser. Ooh, Bowser has lots of colors.
Yeah, that's my daddy.
Whoa! Bowser Jr. is here. Let's start with number 4, the red beads. Reds are done. Time for our beige color, which is number 2. And we have a lot of number 2 here. And this is also the color for his spikes on the tail and on his shell. We also have lots of number 1. Number 1 is yellow. Yep, here it is, number 1. Yellow beads coming right up. Letter A, which is this black color. Number 3, which is the white color. And finally, we have the number 8, which is this green color for his shell. And voila!
Daddy's done, and he looks super cool.
You know, he sure does. And finally, we have our mushroom. Let's get it out. This one only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Never mind, it has a lot of colors too.
Time to sparkle.
Let's get our brown beads and let's stick it on. Oh, whoa, I'm like, why is it not sticking? It's because the plastic cover is still there. Okay, let's do that again. Now it's sticking. Browns are done. Time for the whites, which is number 3. Whites for his eyes and also for his fangs. And then we have number 2, which is the beige color. Almost done. We just need number 7 here. We still need 2 black beads for this eye and that eye. Yay! All done!
Ooh, I look good.
I think so too. Goomba, the angry mushroom, is sparkly. Here are our 3 diamond stickers and now we can stick them on to anywhere we like. Here is Toad. I can stick it onto my laptop here. Cool. You can even stick it onto your notebook, like Goomba here. And I have here a slime container, which I think is the perfect place for our Bowser diamond sticker. That was so much fun making these Super Mario Brothers diamond stickers. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!